But there are some bonus stage, and this bonus stage are that between these different categories that are maritime, that are railway, that are high power stationary usage, we have at the end the same typology of clients. Clients that are less interested in capex, so the unit price, more interested in TCO, total cost of ownership. We have lower volumes than for automotive, so it's probably more difficult for an automotive player to play on this ground because less volumes, obviously. We have technical barriers. So, for example, Helion was awarded a vessel, a hydrogen vessel, in the south of France that we will deliver next year, and we have to certify this in marine. So it's complicated. I think the next one is Ballard, our dear competitors, where you are. We explain you how it is difficult to certify. So we'll do it. And it's a technical barrier that probably automotive players are not interested in.